What happens in our bodies during a cough? This seemingly simple act triggers a complex series of events. When we cough, a sudden rush of air forces out harmful irritants from our lungs, reaching speeds over 60 miles per hour. But wait, it doesn't end there. Each cough engages over 100 muscles, synchronizing our diaphragm and vocal cords, creating a powerful expulsion mechanism. Interestingly, did you know that a single intense cough can release as many as 3,000 droplets into the air? This highlights the potential for spreading infections, making coughs crucial in the fight against germs. Join this captivating journey as the body's remarkable reflex demonstrates both protection and the risks of communication in a biological dance.